In this video, we will see an example of converting miles to kilometers, and we'll be using float in this situation. So let's see the example. This is a basic example where we have a variable of type float called miles, and it has a fixed or literal value 3.5 f. Now we need f to ensure it become float, because 3.5 by default is double. Then the next line we just declare a new variable called kilometers, and its type float, and then the formula is 1.61 multiply miles. But notice 1.61, we put f here to ensure it's become float. Otherwise, we'll get in the same issue we had in the previous example, which this become double, multiply float, becomes double, get us a situation. So we need to force it to be float, so we added f. And now float, multiply float, 1.61, multiply miles, which the value coming here 3.5, this will get you the kilometers. And then you come here and display the miles, plus you display miles as, and then kilometers, and display the results. So it's a simple example. Basically here we declare the miles, and you need to remember the f is to force it to be float, because without f 3.5 is double. And then here 1.16, again we need to force it to be float by using f, and then you get the result. So you get something like this on the screen saying 3.5 miles, which coming from here, then miles is between quotation, it comes here, then 3.635, which this kilometers, which again this one, plus kilometer, and then it will come kilometer. This is a very simple example, and we were careful to make sure the data types stay correct. So we force the literal value or constant value to be float, so when we do the calculation we get float. Thank you for listening.